After spending my formative years at Harvard Medical School, I was clear that I needed to come back and set up a world-class proteomics laboratory here in India. IIT provided me with an ideal platform, its academic setting, making my start quite stimulating. My family took a while to warm up to the new surroundings, but soon IIT was home. Since clinical research requires heavy investment, in the initial months, I focused on obtaining competitive grants from the various governmental agencies. As expected, these funds took time to materialize. Since proteomics was the new medical frontier and the funding agencies had their apprehensions.
So the mails have been sent, but there has been no response.
Meanwhile, like any specialized international lab, I wanted my biomedical students to have support of various analytical tools in their research work. I began outsourcing interns from interdisciplinary background like mechanical engineering and even aeronautics.
I'm looking to study the effects of microgravity through proteomics. The big picture idea is that you should be able to develop applications that will be immensely beneficial to the astronaut's health.
These students could easily do complex data analysis. Everything was now an equation or a coefficient.
If all the 4 cohorts have to be compared simultaneously, then we need to shift our data analysis platform from BRB array tools to R.
Just before my elder daughter's second birthday, I finally succeeded in getting the governmental grant of 89 lakhs. We are proposing to do it first time in India in collaboration with Tata Memorial Hospital. More funds flowed in thereafter. My lab started purchasing state-of-the-art equipment one by one. The journey had taken a turn.
This particular Venn diagram refers to the differentially regulated proteins in this comparison.
With such resources at my disposal, I could now focus on setting up the protocols for clinical research. My students were gradually introduced to the ethics and philosophy of working on clinical samples.
These slides contain 19,000 proteins, human recombinant proteins.
Soon our use of advanced instrumentations and systems brought in recognition at the global level. What are you watching now? They're going in rocket?
Yes.
In America, my friends still ask me, how has been the journey? And I always just smile to that.